Well, Mary was in the kitchen throwing a pizza in the oven, and she was looking out the window. Didn't see any of our normal elk, and then she saw the ears sticking up out of the grass, and here's this deer just laying out in the backyard eating grass. And she's been there for a little while. Just never noticed her until her ears popped up. We don't see any others, and don't seem to be any babies nearby. No, nothing. Unfortunately, the camera is right there on that tree, which is the opposite direction of where she is.
Behind her.
So we're not going to get anything on our field cameras, but there she is, just laying out in the grass.
She's good size too. Well, I can see over here.
We haven't seen any elk come through in the last couple of days, but we know they have been because there's hoof prints all over the place. But we're just going to let her enjoy her lunch / dinner.